welcome in to another woolly review. And today is James C. Brett Rainbow Sprinkles. Now this is one of the prizes from the Woolly Wednesday for May, so I'll only be doing a half swatch just to make you aware. This is 100 grams, made under license in Turkey. The wonderful shade is RS01, of course, 290 metres, 317 yards of premium acrylic, and they're recommending a 4-hook, and so a 4-hook is what I'm going to use. Brown, bright light blue, and royal blue. Now the background is kind of like it's all been washed and the colours have bled a little bit. There's a little bit of white in there, but it's mainly blue hue. Now there's 7 colours of this, 7 shades of this available. They're not all available, but the cheapest I found is on Wool Warehouse for £1.99 per ball. So let's have a go. It feels kind of nice on the skein itself. It's very, very squodgy. Squodgy, yeah, we'll use that word, squodgy. So let's make up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh, it's squeaking. 10, 11, 12. And 1 row of single crochet. Gosh, so squeaky. I guess that's what you get for using plastic to crochet with, maybe. No, I can't say that because you get the squeak with natural fibres too. Okay. So there's the singles. And let's do a row of half double. Now I've got to say, amazingly, I'm actually struggling to see the stitches. It's not even a novelty yarn, but I'm struggling to see where to put everything. There is a fair old bit of fuzz. I'll see the fuzz. It's a fair old bit of fuzz. So finding the stitches, I've really got to manipulate them to be able to see. And oh my gosh, we've got a split. It's split, it's split. Okay. There we go. And we're not here to judge the crochet skills or lack of. Just here to review for you. Just in case you see it and go, oh, I fancy that. Oh, hang on. What's it like? That's why I'm here. Oh my gosh, they're squeaking. Okay. Last row we will do double crochets. I kind of like the flecks in it, except that there's too many colours for my taste. I don't know why there's brown flecks in it. It doesn't make any sense to me. If it was 2 different shades of colour, then that would be pushing it for me, but it would be tolerable. But why is there brown in there? I have no idea. But, oh my gosh, I can't see this one at all. It is what it is. Oh my gosh. It's a little bit difficult to work with, I have to say. It's not the easiest thing in the world to work with. And feeling it worked up, it feels a little bit rough, like the softness has gone away. It's stiff. And it's not gone great. Yes, I'd still be okay with wearing it, but yeah, the softness has gone. Disappeared. So what's the frog gonna do? Let's take a frog hop. Bear in mind, there's fuzz. The crawl isn't bad on a moped. Wow, I'm very surprised. And not all that much kinkage. There is some for sure, but it's not really, really, really bad. That's a bonus. Okay. So, a whole 7 colours of this, all with the dotting. I mean, it's sprinkles, you know, it's called rainbow sprinkles for a reason. I don't know where brown comes into a rainbow, but okay, James C. Brett, okay. Beany, you can go back for a minute. Thank you very much. So, rainbow sprinkles, DK. Would I turn my back on it? No. No. Would I be extremely annoyed if I was after a different DK and that one was there? Okay, there's no stitch definition in there at all, which is a little bit of a pain. But no, okay, let's do the next one. Would I be, well, it's in my top 10, I guess, if you don't have the others. I honestly think this is where I'm going with this. This is it. I don't... Okay, I'll be really generous. I'll give it a half. I'll give it a 3.5. For the price, for the amount of yardage, pretty good. It is soft on the skein. Worked up, it's difficult to work up. There's a lot of fuzz. There's no stitch definition. You can't see where the stitches are properly to work with it. And when it's worked up, it becomes a little bit stiff and rough. Not rough like cardboard, but still. So I can't push it more than that. I can't. I'm sorry, Rainbow Sprinkles. Can't do more than that. That's it. I'm going to be a generous 3.5. Generous. I really want to do that, but I'm like, well, value wise, it's pretty good. So that's it. There you go. That's it for this week. Maybe it's been of use, maybe it hasn't. Have you used this? If you have, let me know down below what you thought of it. And if you've now gone, oh, well, I'm not putting that in my cart then, or it was in my cart and now I'm removing it, let me know that too. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.